Who are those ladies that like flirting like that? Those ladies that like jumping from one man to another. But don't like to settle down. Like cheating, testing all men. Very soon you come and say all men are the same. Like collecting gift, we can't stay in one place. A man will buy you a car and propose to you, you reject it. You reject the proposal. But you collect the car and reject proposal. You collect the phone and reject proposal. You collect gift and reject proposal. Why collecting a gift when you don't want to settle down, madam? I'm asking you. If you know that you're not going to settle with one man, don't collect their gift. My sister, you won't make it, you won't succeed. All these kind of things. There'll be a time you'll be looking for that kind of man, you'll never find him. That's when you start making out jumping from one person to another, one native doctor to another, looking for a husband. When you have rejected all the good husband that came your way. How many men can afford a car? How many men can afford gift to propose to a girl? But the man will do that, take that bold step to do that for you. You turn the proposal down. Or more. Is this when you be dating for 5 years, a man want to settle down, you reject him. Jesus, this is impossible. I can't believe this. You want to taste all the men in the world before settling down, or you think that those men that you think that you want to remember eating their money because you don't want to settle down, they're going to remain with you or they're going to marry you. See, let me tell you something. You can flirt around. You understand? Flirt around, but when you see the man that comes to marry you, accept. I've not refused that I should not jump from one man to another. I should not refuse that I should not sleep with all the men. When you're still doing boyfriend and girlfriend, you can sleep around anyhow as you want. But if you see that man that is serious come to you to propose to you, accept, and ask you out for marriage, accept. Don't remain and cry later that if had I known, I could accept that man. Because as you reject that first marriage, then you will not find again a marriage. You will never find a marriage again like that. First thing, especially concerning marriage, the first man that comes to your life to marry you is always the best than the second one. Because the second one will be coming to you because you don't have a choice. And they will take you that time now with the condition. You understand? When you are above certain age to get married is difficult for you as a woman if you don't know. And you know the age I'm talking about. Women is counting on age to marry, but men are not counting on age. They are counting on their pocket.